Hey everyone, exciting news. Bybit's pre-market trading is featuring Hamster Kombat, the tap-to-earn Telegram game where you can mine hamster coins. What is Hamster Kombat? It's a game where you manage a virtual crypto exchange to earn hamster. Here's the breakdown. Pre-market trading for Hamster starts July 8, 2024, at 10 o'clock a.m. UTC. Keep an eye out for the delivery schedule announcement. It's important. Not following it could mean losing your collateral. Trading with points. Right now, you'll be trading with points that will convert to actual hamster tokens later. Once the conversion rate is announced, Bybit will automatically convert your points to tokens at the same value. But the price and quantity might change slightly. The system will adjust your orders if the conversion rate changes before delivery. In rare cases, orders might be cancelled, but don't worry, you'll get your funds back delivery day. Sellers need to have the hamster tokens ready in their Bybit account by delivery time. Buyers will receive their hamster tokens upon successful delivery. Why pre-market? This is your chance to get hamster tokens before they hit regular trading. You can lock in your buy or sell prices early. Ready to join the Hamster Kombat pre-market? Head over to the Bybit website or download the Bybit app to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto news and updates.